If you're considering Sage Business Cloud Accounting, there are 12 key things you need to know before you make a purchase. While it's a solid choice for businesses, it's important to compare it to competitors to see if it's the best fit for you. Stick around until the end to get a better alternative you can try for free. First off, Sage Business Cloud Accounting is an all-in-one solution, combining core accounting features with the flexibility of cloud technology. It's suitable for small to medium-sized businesses, but faces stiff competition from other popular tools like QuickBooks and Xero. The second thing to know is that Sage integrates with a variety of third-party apps, but its integration options aren't as extensive as QuickBooks. This might be a drawback if you rely on specific business tools that aren't supported. However, it does cover key areas like payroll, invoicing, and inventory management well. Next, Sage offers automated bank feeds and transactions, which helps to keep your books up to date in real time. However, some users have mentioned that these feeds can sometimes be delayed or inaccurate, which could lead to extra time spent reconciling. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. Sage Business Cloud Accounting offers a more affordable starting plan compared to QuickBooks Online. But when you scale your business and need more advanced features, the cost increases, making it less attractive for larger operations. Always compare the costs based on the features you need. The fifth point is ease of use. While Sage is fairly user-friendly, it's not as intuitive as competitors like Xero, which many users find more accessible. Sage does offer a more in-depth learning curve, which might be a turnoff for those who prefer something simpler. Next, let's talk about customer support. Sage offers 24/7 customer support, but many users report slow response times, especially during peak periods. If having quick access to customer service is important, this could be a downside compared to other providers that offer faster assistance. The seventh thing to know is that Sage provides strong financial reporting tools with customizable reports that let you analyze your data in depth. This is something that sets it apart from competitors who may not offer as much flexibility in reporting. Next, you'll want to consider mobile access. Sage offers a mobile app, but the functionality isn't as robust as what you get with QuickBooks or Xero. For businesses on the go, this could limit your ability to manage your finances effectively when you're away from the office. The ninth point is that Sage is perfect for businesses looking for multi-currency support, which is great if you work internationally. However, some competitors might offer even more seamless options in terms of handling multiple currencies. Another important feature is invoicing. Sage allows you to create and customize invoices easily, which is great for streamlining payments. But if you need more advanced invoicing features, like time tracking or automatic payment reminders, you might find that other options, like QuickBooks, provide more flexibility. The 11th point is scalability. As your business grows, you might need more features and functionality. Sage Business Cloud Accounting can grow with you, but for larger companies with more complex accounting needs, you might find that it falls short compared to other options, like NetSuite. Finally, Sage's security features are strong, with two-factor authentication and encryption to keep your data safe. While Sage is generally secure, make sure to consider other factors like user reviews and industry feedback to ensure it meets your specific security needs. So, is Sage Business Cloud Accounting worth it? It's a solid choice for small businesses and those just starting to manage their finances more efficiently. But if you want something even better, check out our recommended solution, which offers a more robust feature set and a free trial for you to test out.